Hello, this is the daily Forex report for October 27th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair pulled back, moved higher, broke through some previous resistance, but did close below that. Looking for it to continue overall moving sideways. Potentially this pair is moving to 82.32, possibly as low as 80.82. Look for some resistance around 82.00. and look for some support around 81.00. Now switching to the Euro-USD pair, this particular pair closed down during today's session, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 139.57, possibly as low as 136.31. Look for some resistance around 138.50 and look for some support around 137.30. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved lower today, did create an inside bar, overall moving sideways as you can see. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 159.45, possibly as low as 156.34. Look for some resistance around 158.64 and look for some support around 157.26. Now the US Swiss, this particular pair surged to the upside, closed up. Looking for it to continue moving in that overall direction. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9982, possibly as low as 0.9771. Look for some resistance around 0.9930 and look for support around 0.9835. Okay, as far as news analysis go, we have the Bank of Japan releasing their rate decision tomorrow. Consensus on that is that they're going to hold rates at 0.10% as they've been for a very, very long time. Now let's take a look at a trade that we actually looked at the other day using our Fibonacci retracement levels. We have a Fibonacci retracement here, and we also have our Fibonacci fan. So we're using both the Fibonacci retracement as well as the fan. And let me zoom back in to show you what happened. If you recall from a previous session, we were looking to buy right here, actually right here as well as here. It didn't happen. We did get a confirmation here of a buy and looking to exit here. Today, that exited out. And the cool thing about this trade is that you have an entry right here. You put your stop loss right below the 23.6% retracement, so you're in it if it goes against you for about 45 pips, and to the upside 127 pips worth of profit. Okay, well let's take a look at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair has started to move to the upside. Well, it's had 2 days in a row, which is saying a lot considering the past several sessions. Let's take the same approach using the Fibonacci retracement levels. Pull it down to here, and then let's also look at our Fibonacci fan. Now you can see that it's already broken the 23.6, but that doesn't necessarily mean that this setup is broken as well. You have to put the fan on it to really see what you're looking at. Let's zoom back in. You can see here that we have not broken the 38.2 level, and here's the 50 level. So basically the box we're looking for this to break, and we can't see the 50 level because it goes off the screen, but this is the box. So if we get a breakout to the upside, breaks here, we'll look for it to go up to this point. Now the risk to reward on this one's probably not going to be as good as the previous one that we looked at. Here's about 38 pips it looks like, and here's about 40 pips or so. So a little close to 1-to-1, but not quite there. So when you look at these Fibonacci trades, you definitely want to consider the risk to reward. If you want to put a limit on them, I would say at least look for 1-to-1s, if not greater. That about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.